Okay, about 4 years ago I bought these Arlo Pro cameras to replace some of the cameras I had that weren't working that great. And one thing I liked about it was they had rechargeable batteries instead of using using four of these. These are rechargeable too, they're just a little bit less convenient to use. They work pretty well. So Arlo was the first camera that could use rechargeable batteries and not have to be hooked up to a wire, so that's why I bought it. It's worked out okay for me. Arlo's got a few of its idiosyncrasies like most systems, but in any case, you crack it open and then it has this battery in the back. So these batteries are about 4 years old now, so they're starting to not hold their charge very long. So I decided to get some replacements. I looked at these batteries and they're about $40 a piece from Arlo. So I decided to try a replacement battery. This is from Mrupoo. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's made in China. I'm sure all these are made in China, but in any case, the Arlo batteries are 2440 milliamp hours and 7.2 volts. And these replacement ones are 2200 milliamp hours. So that's, not quite as much, but I'm guessing since these are new, they'll hold their charge longer. So these are also CE approved, so they should be solid. Now, I didn't buy the charger that came with these because I already had my Arlo charger. So Arlo charger, you just plug into the back here on either side, and you can charge two batteries at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge these new ones up. There's two of them in this 2-pack. The 2-pack was just slightly more than $40, so I got two for the price of one, basically. So we're going to plug these in and see if now the yellow means it's charging. So we'll charge both these up, and when they're charged up, we'll probably putting it in the camera, and we'll see how they do. So this is a nice little package. It's got some instructions in different languages, probably just safety instructions about how to charge it and don't drop it in water and so forth. So these are semi-water resistant, I think, because they're made to be used outside. So anyway, we just plug these in and we can charge two at once. All right, shouldn't take too long, and then we'll try it in the camera and make sure it works, and then we'll be off to the races. So we can save these as backups, I guess. Not sure if I want to use these much. I'll probably just recycle them. Okay, they must have already come pre-charged because in about 10 minutes they were charged up. So let's take them out just by popping them. Put them in here. And we close it up. And we look for the blue flashing light. There's the blue light. If it's flashing like that, that means it's connecting with the base station. Alright, so it's connected. We'll go ahead and put it in the yard, and then we'll take a look at it and make sure it's working. Alright, there's my ugly mug and the camera. So we're going to connect to it in the field. This has 1 bar, so it's pretty far away from the base station, but it usually works. Let's see if we can get connected to it. Yeah. Alright, there it is. It's showing the A24 trap, and it should be able to record and keep working. So again, the reason I got this is that these are 4 years old and batteries do have a lifetime, so I got these new, the name isn't on here, it's R-A1, but it's Mrupoo. So I'll put a link in the show notes to these batteries on Amazon. So I think it's a good replacement, assuming it's going to work okay. If it doesn't, I'll update this video later. So it's a good way to save some money and keep your Arlo cameras going.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.